Here it is given that A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. So make a figure of regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, and it is given that the area of ABE, which means this is equal to 100 centimeter, and we have to find the area of hexagon. So if we look at the figure, then it can easily be said that the area of the hexagon will have to be more than 200 square centimeter, as the area of ABE is 100, which is obviously less than half of the total area of the hexagon. And if we look at the options, the value of first option will be less than 100, so it cannot be answered. Similarly, the value of second option will be less than 200, it cannot be the answer, as our answer has to be more than 200, and same goes with the option C, as it is 200. Therefore option D has to be the answer. Without solving this problem, we can reach to the answer just by making the figure and doing the observation that we have just done here. And if we want to solve this problem in a traditional way, then just see the figure. This angle will be 90 degree, this will be 60, and angle E will be 30. Suppose AB is x, then AE will be root 3 of x, as tan 60 is height upon tan 60 will be equals height, that is AE upon base, which is x. From here we will get AE as root 3x. Now using Pythagoras theorem we will get AEB as 2x. So the area of triangle ABE will be 1 by 2 base, which is x, into height, which will be root 3x. This comes out to be root 3 upon 2x square. Now the area of hexagon, which will be 6 times area of an equilateral triangle whose side will be equal to the side of the hexagon. So 6 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 4 into x square. This can be written as 3 into root 3 by 2 into x square, and value of root 3 by 2 into x square is given as 100. Therefore the required area will be 3 into 100, which is 300 square centimeter.